Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to accept Bitcoin payments on Coinbase Commerce. All right, if you've been wondering how to accept Bitcoin payments on Coinbase Commerce, this video is definitely gonna help you out with that. It's gonna be a really quick one, just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase account. Once you can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can choose to do so on the official website. Once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the Commerce tab. Once you're there, you're going to click on Payment buttons, and now you're going to create a payment button. Then you're going to configure the payment button settings to your liking, and then you can use the payment button to accept Bitcoin payments. So yeah, pretty simple and straightforward. That's pretty much it on how to accept Bitcoin payments on Coinbase Commerce. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next